We will create a game intro similar to this intro. So let's get started. The first step we will take is to search for a suitable background video. Through the Elements section, type in the search, Gaming Background. Then go to the Videos section. Now choose any video that you think is suitable for you. I will select this video, and then I will set it as background. The next step is to add a logo. You can upload your logo to Canva and then add it to the intro. Here I will search for the gaming logo. From the graphics section you can find many logos for various fields. I will choose this logo. I will also add a background effect to the logo, so I will add this animated element. By clicking on the See All button in the Magic Recommendations section, similar items will appear for you that you can also choose from. Now I want to make the element behind the logo. I will right-click on the element, and then choose Layer. After that I will choose Send to Back. Then I will create an animation for the logo. Select the logo, then click on the animate icon at the top. Now a list of movements will appear. Choose what is appropriate for you. After that, select the logo and the background effect, then right-click and choose Show Timing. Below you will see a timeline that has appeared that you can move to change the time the logo appears. Now I will add Shape Glitch. In the Elements section there are many different animated shapes. I will add these animated arrows to give a nice effect to the intro. I'll also add this animated blue arrow. The next step is to add the name of your YouTube channel. Click on the text section, then choose Add a heading. After adding the text, change the font type to Cyber Junkies. Now in the same way, from Show Timing, change the time the text appears and also the time the arrows appear. Finally, add animation to the text by clicking on Animate at the top. The intro is now ready for use, as you can see. You can also add music to the intro.